No. Combat. And I'm armed with M16 rifle. I'm the team leader. I have the effective control of the squad. I'm responsible for what my team does or fails to do. I'm the body of everybody. I'm vision goggles, globes, and I'm armed with 5.56mm M16 A1 Armalite. I'm the regiment. I'm the voice of command. I'm responsible for all the signal equipment of the squad. I emphasize the range of security.
Pagurhita lang ko.
I'm armed with M16 rifle. I am a sister regiment. I have a lot of duty to perform for the team. I act as an aircraft marshal and sniper of the squad. I assist the regiment in all operations of the squad radio. I'm equipped with sniper field, sniper scope, and armed with M14 assault rifle. I'm not command. During command operations and appointment, I disguise as a rebel and mingles with the barrier residents to fish for information of intelligence value. I am responsible for the conduct of civil military operations and the body of the Tail Scout. I'm equipped with civilian gloves and silent killing weapons, and I'm armed with M16 rifle. I'm the Tail Scout. I'm responsible for the task left to my team. I'm last to advance and last to withdraw. I'm the body of the contact man, and I am equipped with medical kit, food, and I am armed with M16 rifle.
Upload mo kay Managa ni sila ni. Upload mo kaya ni mo pero mo tuyok mo na kay paminawon bag napay mo tingog. Kung na gani mo tingog, di ka pwede
the team leader inspects the team members.
Now,
the team is composed of 7 members. Team 8 Scout Ranger team. Number 1 is the lead scout. The second is the guide. The third man is the team leader. The fourth man is the radio man. The assistant radio man. The sixth man is the contact man. The seventh man is the tail scout. Let's give a round of applause to the team leader. The third man. Number 4, the radio man. Ladies and gentlemen, the fourth man, the radio man. Let's give a round of applause to the radio man. That one called the monkey roll. Kaya. Good round of applause.
Tagak, patay, basta telepono.
Wala telepon. Dahil wala.
Wala dial tone. Patay, pati pusil.
Next, the guide. Let's give a round of applause to the guide. Second man.